Hola a todos. Vamos a repasar el verbo gustar y verbos similares a gustar with a little video. Entonces, join me en la página 3 en sus paquetes para este repaso con más práctica. Okay, una introducción. This is not in your paquete, amigos. Dos de estas frases tienen gramática correcta, dos tienen gramática incorrecta. Número 1, me gustan las películas de acción. Número 2, al público le gustan los espectáculos. Número 3, ¿te gusta el conjunto talentoso? Y número 4, a los estudiantes les gustan pintar. Take a second and think about which two are correcta and which two are incorrecta. Aquí están las respuestas. Note in number 1, we see me gusto. That does not exist. We cannot say me gusto or yo gusto. Gustar and verbs like gustar are backwards verbs, so their conjugations are different. We can only use gustan or gusta, like we see in número 3. Since we're talking las películas, that's plural, therefore we use the plural form of gustan. Número 4 is incorrecta. We have les to match los estudiantes, but we have the infinitive pintar. We always use the singular gusta when we're talking about infinitives that we like to do. The students like to paint in this case. So this chart you see on your página 3, there's two parts to backwards verbs, like gustar. When we talked triggers for subjunctive, chicos, me sorprende and me molesta were verbs just like gustar. We can only use sorprende, sorprenden, molesta, molestan. So part 1 is the who, quién. At the very least, minimally, I need one of the pronouns that are in the yellow column. Me, te, le, nos, or les. Os is for vosotros, so we don't use that. What you could add is what we call these clarifiers to clarify these pronouns. Really, le and les are the two pronouns that need clarifiers or that help when they have clarifiers, because le can be any person. So I can clarify by saying a él le gusta, or a Susie le gusta or gustan, a Bobby le gustan los espectáculos, a Elena le gusta pintar. So I'm telling you who corresponds to this le. Same thing with les. A ellos les gustan los libros, or a ustedes les gusta estudiar, or a Bobby y Susie les gustan las bellas artes. So that's for your reference. We're going to add to this thought, aquí en Español 3, with other verbs that function like gustar. Aburrir, to be bored. So I could say, me aburre, it's an IR verb. So now instead of gusta or gustan, I have aburre and aburren. Those are my only two options. So me aburre esculpir. I don't know. Or me aburren las películas románticas. To love, me encanta pintar versus me encantan los espectáculos del teatro. Faltar, to need something or to lack. So I could say, oh, I'm missing my tableta. Me falta la tableta. Or we need 5 students still. Like 5 students still need to join the bloque. Nos faltan 5 estudiantes, because there are more than one estudiante, so I use faltan. Nos faltan 5 estudiantes. Fascinar, me fascina. Me fascina viajar versus me fascinan Me fascinan las bellas artes. If something is important or matters, think important is importar. Me importan las bellas artes. The fine arts matter to me. Or me importa actuar. Performing matters, is important to me. Me interesa la clase de español. Or me interesa el español versus me interesan las bellas artes. Me interesa bailar y cantar. Me interesan los espectáculos o las películas de comedia. Molestar, we saw this in the trigger. Me molesta que, but also I can talk about things that bother me or annoy me. Let's see. Me molesta estudiar. Studying bothers me. Studying annoys me. Or me molestan los audífonos. Headphones annoy me. Quedar es el último. For example, I could say, oh, we have 5 minutes left. Nos quedan 5 minutos. Quedan because 5 minutos is more than 1 minute. So, like I've shown through those examples, we only use 2 forms of these verbs. The ella usted form, which is, for example, gusta or aburre or interesa or molesta o fascina, and the ellos ellas ustedes form. Gustan, fascinan, molestan, aburren. Same rules apply. If what we like is singular, or if there are infinitives, we use the singular form of the verb. But if the object is plural that we like los espectáculos or las bellas artes or las películas románticas, then we use the plural form of the verb. So it could be, he likes the shows. A él le gustan los espectáculos. So pause this video and take 4-ish minutes to try and come up with how you would translate these frases. Let's start with número uno together. Art bores me. So we have to think of this as, this is where the backwards verb thing comes in. We have to start with the me part. Art is boring to me. So me, and then I think el arte is what I'm talking about liking. So in my head, I think el arte is singular, so my verb has to be singular as well. These function on their own island from these parts, this part of the sentence. I don't need the a mí, but I can have it to clarify. I can just have me aburre el arte. Pause the video, work through dos, tres, y cuatro. Once you've got an idea, I'm going to go through the respuestas. Again, clarifier is optional. A él le fascinan las pinturas. Las pinturas are fascinating to him. A los estudiantes les encanta la banda. They are interested in art and music. They, so a ellos, or just les, interesan el arte y la música. Here I have 2 singular nouns, which means they are more than one. Okay, chicos, eso es donde paramos. There will be more práctica for you all on the following slides. Ciao, ciao.